film.
That one's not the production. That clip is not production. And it'll still work, but it's not exactly functional.
I thought it was a production.